Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own non-profit in Arizona. I believe creating your non-profit should be easy, effective and fast, and you shouldn't spend too much time on it and spending like too much on your focus and attention. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below on this video and click on the link in the description. When you're gonna do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own non-profit, and here you will just want to click start my business. Then you want to change the LLC to non-profit and change the state of formation to Arizona right here, and then you're gonna have three packages here: silver, gold and platinum. My recommendation is going with the gold one, and you're not going to make a mistake if you're gonna choose it, only because with the silver you're gonna have basics like unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, filling the articles of organization. With the gold package, you're gonna have everything from the corporation bylaws, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, business banking account. So we'll have covered everything here. And then you're gonna have also option to have a platinum, in which you're gonna have also expedited filling, so your like non-profit will be filled faster. But you will get it even when you choose the gold package later in the video. So the option to have it. With the silver, you're gonna have basics, but you will have to do a lot of work by yourself. So here you want to click get a gold package, and then you're gonna have the contact person. So I'll simply add Marcus Stonelius and email. And then I'm going to add a number. Like this, phone number, and then I'm going to add a street address, and also city, state and zip code. Now I will click simply next here, and then you're gonna confirm the address. So I'll go with the suggested, let's say, should your non-profit corporation have members? And I will say like non-profit will not have members because most more non-profits are like not to have a formal membership structure, and thus avoid documenting and maintaining membership roles, as well as avoiding the time and expense of having the members vote on directors and other major corporate decisions. So when you're gonna have it, that's something that I would recommend to do. Then you see that you need to choose if it's going to be the public benefit corporation or religious corporation, and then you would simply choose next year. Then you're gonna have the option to have 6 weeks filling time or 20 business days filling time. And you can go for 20 business days if you want to. And then you have to choose a non-profit name. So here you would write non-profit name, like let's say Marcus Marketing, and I will have designator, let's say incorporated. You choose the designator here and the number of owners, like 2. I don't know how many owners are you gonna have in your nonprofit. Business purpose, let's say marketing service for small business owners. So we just share here your business purpose that you have, and then industry keyword. So I'll write here marketing, and I'll have marketing consulting services. Then you're gonna have the company address information, and in your industry you would write your own. You would write your own industry that you're in, let's say construction. Then you can have the company address information here, and you can have professional business address, or you can use your own address. So I will simply choose to use my own address, and I will choose the street address here and city, and then press simply next. Then you're gonna have the felony, and you would choose like if calling felony. So I have to fill everything here, bankruptcy questions, etc. And when you will have it, click next. You will have to fill it out, read about it. Then business contract templates, domain name, business email address. If you don't want to have a platinum package, you would simply click no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you would add directors and director 2. And then you have to choose a president, secretary, and treasurer. So these are the 3 positions that you need to have covered. And when you will have them covered, then you simply again choose next year. And now you're gonna have the registered agent information. So you see that Arizona requires a corporation to appoint a registered agent. So my recommendation is assign Incfile as your registered agent free for the first year. And then you would click next, or you can cover it by yourself. But again, you're gonna have it free with the Incfile, so why not use it? And then you're gonna have the tax identification number. So here you would like see that Incfile will apply and obtain your AIN from the IRS electronically, and you would simply add an SSN number here, physical street address, and then when you have it, you would simply press next again. Then you're gonna see the setting up small business banking account. So my recommendation is that yes, please have a small business specialist contact you, or not at this time. Press next again, and then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation. So this is something that I definitely recommend to have with the Incfile, so you'll learn how nonprofit works, and they will explain like everything to you, what you need to do and what you should do. Yes, I would like to receive, and then press next. Then you're gonna have the review order here, and you're gonna have the company, the agent, the director, officer, or like the review, and when you will have it, press next here. And then the last step is a billing information, in which you're gonna add the first name, last name, street address, card number, and here you just have to add a card, and this is pretty much it how you do it. So this is how you can easily start a nonprofit. It's nothing that difficult. And if you want, you can support me with the link down below in the description. It's an affiliate link. So if you're gonna click on link, you're gonna support me. So that's pretty much it, how you're gonna do it. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments, or what you can do is also ask Incfile or call them or chat with them. So that's something you can do. Right here you would see on the bottom right the chat, the customer support that you can write them, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.